AI isn't just changing the world, it's changing bank accounts. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools you can use to start making money online today, with no tech skills and no startup costs. Let's turn your browser into a paycheck. I used to spend hours scrolling through videos on how to make money online. Most of them complicated, expensive, or straight-up scams. But then something changed. I stumbled upon a tool free, fast, and surprisingly smart, ChatGPT. And that one discovery turned my browser into a paycheck. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple AI-powered side hustles that you can start right now, even if you're starting with nothing. Let's get into it. It all started with a random idea. What if I could sell motivational quotes as digital downloads? So I opened ChatGPT and typed, "Give me 10 motivational quotes about success." In seconds, I had content original, clean, and ready to use. Then I went over to Canva, dropped those quotes into a beautiful template, added some color, a bit of flair, and boom. The next morning, a sale. Next hustle? YouTube, but not the kind where you have to be on camera or even speak. I wanted something low effort but high return. So I opened ChatGPT and asked, "Give me a short script on 5 ways to save money fast." Then I took that script and dropped it into Pictory.ai, a tool that turns text into fully edited videos. Stock footage, voiceover, captions, all done in under 10 minutes. I uploaded it to a brand new YouTube Shorts channel. A week later, one of the videos hit 5,000 views. It didn't go viral, but the affiliate clicks started coming in. AI plus, YouTube, DROS, automated income stream. And then came the big one, freelancing. I thought, people are getting paid to write blog posts, and I have ChatGPT. So I created a gig on Fiverr. I will write SEO-optimized blog posts for your website. When the first order came in, I panicked a bit, but then I typed, "Write a 500-word blog post on digital marketing tips." ChatGPT delivered in seconds. I edited a few lines, formatted it in Google Docs, and hit send. $35. That's when I knew I didn't need to be an expert. I just needed the right tools and a bit of hustle. If you want more simple, powerful income ideas, hit that subscribe button. Your screen into a stream of income.